Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we will share the first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. We will also see what are the interesting and key features of this smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G comes with some interesting specifications, such as the screen is already 6.4 inches with Super AMOLED display. And the rear camera already comes with a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel main camera. And it also comes with OIS or optical image stabilization feature. And of course, this smartphone also supports 5G networks. Then the smartphone uses the latest Exynos chipset, which is Exynos 1380, and the battery also has a large capacity of 5000 mAh battery. Then inside this sales package, we get a SIM card tray ejector, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and also a manual. Then the Samsung A54 5G variant comes with 128GB and 256GB internal memory variants. Then for the position of port button and speaker, on the right side there are the power button and volume button as usual. Then at the bottom there is a USB Type-C port, a microphone hole, and stereo speakers. But unfortunately, the Samsung A54 5G is no longer available with 3.5mm audio jack. For the rear design, we can see a very interesting camera design with a triple camera setup. The A54 5G has a 50 megapixel main camera and an ultra-wide 12 megapixel camera. And there is also a 5 megapixel macro camera. Then beside the camera, of course, there is also an LED flashlight. The Samsung A54 5G already comes with a glass back cover that makes it look very premium. In addition, this smartphone also has IP67 certification, which makes it dust and water resistant. The Samsung A54 5G display already uses Super AMOLED with a size of 6.4 inches. It also comes with Full HD Plus resolution and also a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The screen is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 to protect it from scratches and minor bumps. Then the front camera comes with a resolution of 32 megapixels. The front camera is located above the screen in the middle. The front camera is also capable of recording video up to 4K 30fps. The Samsung A54 5G used the latest One UI version, One UI 5.1 based on Android 13. The features are also very complete in the Samsung A54 5G. For those of you who want to check out the first initial setting tips when using the A54 5G for the first time with the latest One UI 5.1, you can check out the video that appears on your screen. Hopefully useful. See you in the next video.